So like we said, it's time to bring you up to speed with the weather updates coming in from across the nation. First up, let's discuss the condition here in the national capital. Yamuna River is flowing above the danger level following incessant rainfall. Those living in low-lying areas near the Yamuna River were relocated to safer sites anticipating the flood emergency. Lohapul and nearby areas are facing an expanded Yamuna River that continues to wreak havoc following heavy and continuous rainfall. These are the visuals coming in from different parts of the national capital. First up, we are showing you the visuals pouring in from old railway bridge. Aftermath of swelling of Yamuna River. At the moment, the river is flowing above the danger mark, leading to many parts of the national capital being completely inundated underwater. Those living in low-lying areas are suggested to move to a safer space. They have been relocated to the safer sites as well. Flood emergency is anticipated as far as the condition in the national capital is concerned. And the two neighboring cities of the national capital, Gurgaon and Noida, show a stark contrast whenever it rains heavily in the NCR. This week itself, just 100 millimeters of rainfall brought Gurgaon to a grinding halt. Kilometers-long traffic jams and waterlogged roads left commuters stranded for hours, once again raising questions about the city's urban planning. Experts say Gurgaon lacks a clear road grid and its unlinked internal infrastructure built through scattered public-private development worsens the congestion and also waterlogging. Meanwhile, Noida tells a very different story. Developed as a planned greenfield city in the 1970s, Noida's infrastructure from drainage to roads was laid out in advance by a single authority. This foresight has helped it manage rains far more efficiently. Adding to Gurgaon's woes in the loss of natural drainage, especially along the Aravalli slopes, experts warn that haphazard construction and ignored topography have left the city vulnerable. In contrast, Noida's systematic planning continues to shield it from the kind of chaos Gurgaon faces every monsoon. Let's come back to Delhi, where water from the swelling Yamuna has again entered Delhi's Monastery Market near Kashmiri Gate. The usually busy lanes are now submerged. Shops have been shut and traders are counting huge losses. These are the visuals coming in from the very area that I've been speaking about. At 206.85 meters, the river is flowing above the danger mark like I initially touched upon. Residents too have been forced to leave their homes even as relief camps and rescue operations are currently underway. We also have a ground report coming in on the same, bringing you the sense from straight ground zero and how people are struggling at the moment in the national capital. Let's take a look.
I'm reporting from Monastery Market here in New Delhi, where you can see behind me this shopping hub of Delhi is currently submerged under the Yamuna water floods. You can see that all the shops are being shut here. People are moving out of their homes. You can see behind me in the visuals how people are moving out of their homes. They have closed their shop. They are forced to close their shops because this market is completely submerged under the waters of Yamuna river. Also, we are showing you the visuals of this market. You can see how the water level is currently rising because the Yamuna river is currently flowing. The danger mark, the Yamuna river's water level currently stands at 206 meter, which is way above 205.33 meters, which is the danger mark. And this is the reason why this market is currently flooded under the Yamuna's water.